Hello there, everyone. It is I, Logan Iceland, back with another video. And in today's video, I have the Sonic's plane. I have Sonic's plane here, the X Tornado, and I will be showing you guys how to make it. And to remind you guys, yes, you can color it whatever you guys want. And so, yeah. So, this is how the plane will look like in the end, and I will be showing you guys how to make the plane. And right up on screen I have right now is the materials that you'll be needing with the tools that you'll be needing to make this thing and build a boat for treasure. So, I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. And a special shout out to Nacho Dog on 426. He even subscribes to this channel. So, anywho, enjoy the build, guys.
forest dark and deep we prowl. Midnight hunters in the shadows cowl. Howling voices echo through the night. Eyes so bright they're burning with the bite. Claws and fangs, we're a fearsome pack, trailing scents of what we've tracked. Moonlight gleams on our silver fur, swift as wind, our howls a blur. In the kingdom wild where wolves do reign, no leash, no chain, no bounds to contain. We run, we fight through the glitching maze, a savage dance in electric craze. Streets turn forest, pixelated trails, neon trees and digital gales. Hunting grounds in the coded night.